Alright, so here's a video follow-up on the seatbelt incident from yesterday. This is the dog harness thing that I had clipped into the safety belt. Just your typical old seatbelt in. Had clipped into the center harness, the center buckle. And as you can see, it has completely come undone from the belt. That was attached right there previously to today. You can see where the belt pinched down and gone through it. A little bit of rust from the buckle, no big deal. That part of the buckle is still 100% intact. The buckle, however, is not. I'm gonna pull on it and see if I can't just pull the dang thing out. Nope, that end's stuck tight. But this end, however, it came undone. You can see, I don't know if that's glue that's failed or some stitching that pulled out. If I can get the focus on it. It's hard to really tell. I don't know how those things are made. It's almost like it's glue. Or maybe all the stitching came out. There's no really holes in it. There's no obvious tears. Nothing stretched. I can't figure it out. I honestly don't even know where the other end of that seatbelt is. So, again, this is a 2015 Rubicon. Fold this down. Aha! Here we go. So this should have been well, there's our answer. There's where the other end of it is. That should have been stitched, glued, whatever they do, right like that. Inside that little plastic thing. If you look at the ones next to it, there's all kinds of stitching there. If you look at this one, oh, wait a minute. Is that stitching from the seatbelt? Can't tell. I don't think so. There's not enough of it. It looks like maybe that damn thing was just glued. I don't know. But that should have the buckle on it. Like I said, my dog was attached to it. She felt completely plumb out of the Jeep coming around the corner. But Emmy! Thankfully, she's still okay. Did a barrel roll. She faked being hurt for a little while, but come here, Em. She's perfectly fine now. Just glad I wasn't a kid.